is Sara Ayler. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for Softflex Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fun pair of earrings to match the necklace that I made on Facebook Live this week. So this week on Wednesday, I used our Amazon Princess bead strand and bead mix from Jesse James Beads. It's a custom designed mix and strand. And I used our Softflex 24 karat gold wire to create this beautiful necklace using the beads and some 2x2 millimeter crimp tubes and 3mm crimp covers. And so I thought I'll go ahead and make a pair of earrings here on YouTube to match the necklace that I made on Facebook. So we, every single month, have a new design kit, and that kit contains a bead mix that's custom made for us, and then we sell separately a bead strand that matches it. This is a mixture of my bead mix and my bead strand from the Amazon Princess kit, but every single month you can find a new bead mix and new bead strand on our website in limited quantities, or you can buy the design kit as well, which will have other parts and pieces to it, beads and findings and things as well. So I am using this month's mix and strand, but you could do a similar design using any bead mix or bead strand in an upcoming kit or just, freely on sale on the website, like just the bead mix itself or strand itself. We have a matching trio to go along with this month's mix and strand. It is the Amazon Princess Softflex Trio. It contains the 24 karat gold Softflex, the red coral, and the blue topaz. They're all in the 0.019 medium diameter, which is our all-purpose diameter for glass, mineral, and metal beads. The extreme is just a little bit different than regular Softflex. Softflex is a stainless steel product. It's 49 strands of stainless steel braided together and then coated in a color nylon. The 24 karat is 19 strands of a copper alloy. Each individual strand is plated in beautiful 24 karat gold, and then it's braided in a proprietary braid and then coated in a clear nylon coating, and that's how you get that beautiful bright gold color. So it's a lot of fun to work with because it doesn't tarnish or change, but it still has a gorgeous gold tone to it. So I had a lot of fun working with it on this necklace, so I think I'll use it in the earrings as well, since I'm trying to sort of match the two items together. So I'm going to get a decent size of wire off my gold spool. I know I'm going to be doubling up, so I'm going to get about this much wire, and then I'll measure and see how much that is for anybody that's trying to replicate my design. Get my measuring tape. I do things more, I'm like somebody who's been cooking for years and years. I do things more by eye. I'm using 8 inches of beading wire. I probably will end up trimming some of it off, but that's a good starting point. I'm going to get out some crimp tubes. Today I'm using our gold-filled 2x2 millimeter crimp tubes. You can also find our crimp tubes in sterling, copper, and then there's a black oxidized form as well. I'm going to pull out a couple of crimp tubes. I think I'm going to need 4, so I'm pulling out 4 2x2 millimeter crimp tubes. They're Softflex crimp tubes, so they're very strong, solid tubes. Got my 1 wire folded over, so I have 2 wire ends, and I'm going to string both of those through my crimp tube. I'm going to come up and leave enough space that I can attach to an ear wire at the top. And double up. I'm going to take my Magical Crimpers, which have a little divot on the inside that tube fits into perfectly. center your crimp tube inside of your crimping pliers and compress. You should get what looks like a little 4-corner ravioli. Turn it on its side. Now you're going to compress in those 4 corners. And go around it a few times. We're doing a really fantastic sale this week. It only lasts until June 9th. 20% off your entire order using coupon code BEAD. So June 9th, 2020, the coupon code ends. But you don't have any minimum sized order. You can do it on a small order or a big order. And then, of course, free shipping on orders in the US over $50 are always free from Softflex. Okay, so we've got our wires going in. I'm going to string 1 wire through each hole of my 2-hole check bead. And I believe these were inside the bead mix this time. And I think the cubes might have been in the bead strand. I'm going to string my cube and then I'm going to go back into my 2 holes like that. And now I'm going to crimp at the bottom again. So take both wires, string them through your crimp tube up to about the same spot as the top. You want the same at the bottom. This time I'm going to let my wires kind of splay out. I'm not going to go side by side inside the crimp tube because I like how those look in earrings. And I'm going to go ahead and crimp. If you want them to lay side by side, you can totally do that. As an option too, you would just want to move the wires so they're side by side inside the crimp tube, and then they will shoot out of that crimp in more of a straight fashion. And then I can just kind of trim. You can see on the end of my necklace, I left just a little bit of wire sticking out. I'm going to do the same thing here, and I'm going to mimic the look of my pendant by doing a short and a long. And you can kind of trim that up even further if you wanted to. And then all I have to do is add an ear wire. Let me grab an ear wire real fast from my things over here. You just take your ear wire, open it up, and slide it on. Close it up. And you've got a sweet little matching earring to go with the boho necklace that I made on Facebook earlier this week. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click to subscribe to all of our tutorials. Please click to like this video. That tells me that you have been enjoying it. And please check out all of our wonderful products on our website, softflexcompany.com.